लैक्मे फैशन वीक का डे 3 रहा काफी ठंडा, क्योंकि यहाँ बॉलीवुड स्टार्स में से कोई बड़ी हस्ती मौजूद नहीं थी, बल्कि वी गॉट टू सी गौहर खान इन अ ब्यूटीफुल गाउन, डायना हेडन एंड मियांग चैन। बट बिफोर वी स्टार्ट विद डे 3, हम शुरू करते हैं डे 2 से, जहां मौजूद थे शाहिद कपूर, अर्जुन कपूर और करिश्मा कपूर, मिनीशा लांबा एंड फ्रीदा पिंटो। और इस डे 2 पर शाहिद और अर्जुन से हमने की बात, जहां शाहिद ने काफी प्रेज किया अर्जुन कपूर को।
I know Arjun when I know his father very well, and I've known him from the time I did a film called Milenge with his father, and he has worked so hard on himself. In fact, I just met him and I was just telling him that he's looking so sharp, he's lost so much weight, he's got in shape, he was very good in his first film. In fact, it's one of my favorite films last year. He debuted so well, and I think all these guys are so confident, and they know what they're doing, and they're working hard. So it's very nice to see Arjun doing so well, and I see a very, very bright future for him.
Wahi Sasha also shared his experience walking the ramp after 5 to 6 years. We do remember the last time we spotted Shahid with his ex-girlfriend Kareena Kapoor on the ramp.
Actually, this is technically almost the first time that I walked. I walked 5 or 6 years back, and this is the first time I've really walked the ramp. So I was a little nervous, honestly, but I think the music was cool, and I was doing it for a friend, and the vibe was very chilled out. The crowd was very, very nice. So I had fun walking on the ramp.
Well, इसके अलावा शाहिद ने अपनी upcoming films के बारे में भी कुछ revelation किए।
In fact, both films are going to be very heavy on entertainment. So there's a lot of dancing, there's a lot of action, there's a lot of comedy, and with Prabhu sir, absolutely, his dance style is absolutely phenomenal. The good thing is that it's something very new and very different for me, and I'm really excited, and it's very massy and it's very desi, and that's something I think that we all like to do, especially when we're in a nightclub and desi music plays. Everybody kind of gets on the floor and breaks it down. अंदर से हमारे खून के अंदर तो वही है. So I've really had a lot of fun doing that, and I think there are 6 songs in the film, and all 6 are going to have dancing. So yes, it'll have a lot of dancing.
Shahid, it's gonna be a tough time for you to perform on 6 songs, but we just hope you all the best for your upcoming projects. Moving on, हमने अर्जुन कपूर से भी पूछ लिया उनकी अपकमिंग फिल्म औरंगजेब के बारे में, और अर्जुन ने जूम पर बहुत अच्छे से किया औरंगजेब को एक्सप्लोर।
Aurangzeb, the first looks just came out last Monday, and I've been flooded with messages and phone calls from the film fraternity. They've really liked the whole double role Avatar. I think after a long time, in fact after Shahid doing Kamine, I think it's the first double role that's coming out, and it's set in a very interesting world, the land mafia in Gurgaon. I think the mafia today has progressed as the so-called mafia. You've seen it in films earlier based out of Mumbai. But there's been a slight transformation of power that's gone towards Gurgaon. So this will explore, Aurangzeb hopefully will explore that intricate side of that with an emotional element. I mean, it's a family drama at the end of the day. It's a family of cops and it's a family of gangsters, and their worlds collide in Gurgaon.
इतना ही नहीं, अर्जुन कपूर ने अपनी फिल्म गुंडे की असली गुंडी तो प्रियंका चोपड़ा को बता दिया।
She is actually the actual gundi on set. We keep saying that she's the proper gundi.
प्रियंका को इस नाम से पुकारने से शायद उन्हें भी एतराज नहीं होगा। वैसे डे 2 पर तो बॉलीवुड के कई सितारे दिखे, बट डे 2 और डे 1 के कंपैरिजन में लैक्मे फैशन वीक का डे 3 रहा काफी ठंडा। फॉर रुद्रानी चट्टोराज एंड सलमा खान, ज़ूम, मुंबई।